Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to add a poll to your Discord server so that you can let your members choose in the poll and use the poll in the server. Now it's a very easy process, so the first step is to open up your Discord application. Now from there, sign into your existing account and head down to the server where you want to add the poll. Now from there, go to add your first app or go directly to the app directory. From here, check it out and type in the simple poll. Now, as you can see, it pops up right away. From here, open it up, and as you can see, it has a lot of features. Emojis, multi-choice selection, quick polls, and you can easily set it up, as you can see right here, with the commands that are given in the poll. Now simply go and add the application. From here you can choose a server of your liking. I'm going to test one. Choose all these options. From there, authorize the application. And from there it should be added to your server, as you can see right here. Now you can press swipe poll. And here you have a lot of options to choose from, and you can create your own poll. Now, if you still get any questions related to this tutorial, please leave it in the comments down below. Also consider subscribing, this helps a lot. And yeah, thank you for watching.